Millionaires, we back with another banger, man. We got some good news for bone holders and those, part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shiba Inu's bone becomes CoinMerge's first featured token. So CoinMerge is a platform that is basically an exchange, and they rolled out this new feature. But the important thing about this is they rolled it out for us. So Shiba Inu's governance token, Bone, which is it's not actually Shiba Inu's governance token, it's the governance token of Shibarium. So well, I guess we can count that anyway. But Bone Shiba Swap has continued to make headlines ahead of the launch of Shibarium. In a tweet today, CoinMerge, on an emerging cryptocurrency platform, selected Bone as the first featured token to leverage its newly launched update feature. CoinMerge noted in a tweet that it would be rolling out new updates such as GigaChart's asset tracker and mobile UI UX. The cryptocurrency platform selected Bone Shiba Swap as the first featured project to roll out with the update. The official handle of CoinMerge congratulated Bone holders for the milestone, saying, "Congrats to Bone, our first featured project with the update." So why are they, rolling Bone out as the first featured project? They know Shibarium is about to drop. A lot of people speculating that Bone token may be around $5, myself included. I said I would not be surprised if Bone is around $5 to $10 leading up to the release of Shibarium, or sometime shortly after that. This is not financial advice. Remember, you got to always do your own due diligence. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. But there's a lot of potential investors. Once Shibarium goes live, we're going to start to see some bigger exchanges take Bone more serious, and more investors interested in it equals more exchanges listing it. So that grows the price of Bone. So y'all been, I try to tell everybody, it's not financial advice, but if you believe in Shiba Inu and you believe in the overall ecosystem, then you definitely want to have some Bone token. Now, I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you to do your due diligence and possibly grab some. So the Twitter handle attached a screenshot of the update featuring Shiba Inu's governance token. Notably, the image depicts the price chart of Bone, an about section for Bone, a smart contract address, a website, a trust score for Bone, and other key metrics for the token, including the crypto assets, order book, market cap, etc. The development comes less than a week after CoinMerge announced the launch of its native token, the CoinMerge operating system, so CMOS. The company also said it would launch a crypto library to give developers access to unlimited data that will enable them to build their projects. It is not surprising to see top exchanges showcase enormous interest in Bone. The team behind Shiba Inu explained that Bone would be the official gas token for Shibarium. With the launch of the L2 network just around the corner, the crypto community members have shown interest in the token, prompting exchanges to list it. So just like we said, that's what's taking place. So make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all got notifications on so y'all can stay in tune with everything that's going on. Let's take a look. Overall market today is looking decent, nothing too major, but we did get Bitcoin to break above that 25,000 level, so that was major right there. Let's refresh this real quick. So we got the market at 1.11 trillion. Remember, I told y'all it was going to creep up here. It's going to slowly creep. It slowly contracts. So, the market has those impulses and then the corrections. When you see the market pulling back, it's not all bad. That's just a part of the market cycle. Markets are going to have breakouts. Markets are going to have contractions. So keep that in mind. Don't, be afraid of those contractions. Those are actually the times where you want to buy, because once the price flips back around and goes in the green, you're going to be extra profitable. So we got Bitcoin at 24,406 right now, up 0.5%. Ethereum at 1679. Let's take a closer look at Bitcoin real quick just to see how high it went for the day. So we seen Bitcoin touch 25,000 for the first time in so 25,240. We haven't seen this price since August 14th. So let me drag this so y'all can see it. Take a look here. This is where Bitcoin broke out to today, 25,240, and take a look how it exactly correlates with this resistance point over here. This is why I always tell y'all to look left in the chart, because you can look left in the chart to identify likely resistance points. If we seen these areas here, we notice that we could possibly see some resistance in this range, but most likely here, because this is the last spot before it dropped off here, before returning, making this recovery. So this is looking really, really nice right now, y'all. We haven't seen this price since August 15th, I think that was. Yep, August 15th, 2022. So 6 months ago. It took 6 months to make this recovery. And you see the recovery started within the last, since January, basically. So it's been down all this time. This was all opportunity to accumulate. And all the purchases in this point, once the price returns back above these levels, you're all in the green from those. So that's why dollar cost averaging is very, very important. Now let's take a look at some of our next resistance points. So we look at support levels as well. So we see we got some support over in this area, We're paying attention to this area here. Also this area here at 31,000. Give or take 32,000. We could look even further left to look and see other support levels to identify, where do we find major support or resistance at. So we can see we have some support around this range right here that lines up nicely with this area right here. So this is the next level that I'd be, predicting Bitcoin wants to break out to, around that 30K level. So let's take a look at a few other assets, then get to SHIB. We got BNB 310, XRP 39 cent, Cardano 39 cent, Polygon at 139, Doge at 8 cent, Solana 22.77, DOT 653, Litecoin 101.32, Shiba Inu at 14th place. So we done dropped down one position by market cap, y'all. Litecoin got ahead of us. We are sitting at that 13 level right now, down 4.77%, sitting at a $7.1 billion market cap. Now we could easily reclaim that 13th place back again with a couple, a little hype coming in. But the reason I think this pullback is a lot of people, were expecting Shibarium to be released by the 14th. So a lot of people now feeling that, I'm still patient. We were only speculating. That's why I continue to say it in the videos. Yes, Satoshi did give us some hints that likely something was coming major by Valentine's Day, but Satoshi never officially said it was going to be Shibarium. But we did get those Shiba Inu documents, or excuse me, the Shibarium blog documents. So if you haven't checked my video out about that, make sure y'all go check that one out. Satoshi goes into detail about Shibarium and letting us know, basically the future when it comes to Shibarium. And we are expecting a few series of those blog posts. And we got Shibarium on the way too, man. So just, it's not financial advice, but I think you're going to want to be around when this all happens. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. I got 3 courses available: my stock options trading course, crypto 101 course, my technical analysis course. If you're interested in any of those 3, reach out to me via email whenever you are ready. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. We are out.